Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to predict marriage timing through transits of planets. Transit, also known as Gochar in Hindi, is basically the movement of planets from one zodiac sign to another. Like for example, Sun was in Leo for last 1 month and today itself it transited to Virgo sign according to the Vedic astrology calculations. So through transits of planets we can predict events in a person's life. Transits are really important to predict events like marriage, Sarasati, promotion, childbirth, and many more stuff. So for marriage, the most important houses are seventh house, which is the house of agreement, contract, house of partnership, house of bondage. Then the first house, because it is seventh from seventh, it is Bhavat Bhavam of seventh house. Second house, the house of family. 11th house, the house of desires, and the house of success. And the most important planets to predict marriage in transit are Jupiter and Saturn, because Jupiter is all the good things in life. The celebrations that you do, the party is all Jupiter. And Saturn is responsibility, discipline, structure. And marriage is a celebration and is also the biggest responsibility. So Jupiter and Saturn play the major role to predict marriage. So it's easy whenever Jupiter or Saturn transits through your 1, 2, 7th and 11th house to predict marriage, because there are huge chances of marriage through their transit. Like for example, at the end of the year 2020, both Saturn and Jupiter will be in the sign of Capricorn. So being both the planets in the sign of Capricorn, the chances of Capricorn signs and the opposite Cancer sign getting married are huge if their horoscope also show the same thing. And there are lots of other things involved, of course, like who is your seventh lord, where is it placed, is he harmed or not harmed, is it in a good position, also your dasha system, which dasha is going on. So if more than one thing uh, shows you the path, then there are a huge chance of getting married. Like if there is a horoscope and it shows a delay or it shows no marriage, then even these transits might not really work. Maybe it might give something else, maybe some other benefit, but it will still be difficult to get married. But yeah, of course, transits are important. And you also have to look at Mangal dosha and all that stuff, like Saturn aspects and all, to see whether the marriage is early or delayed, or there are even chances of no marriage. So this was it. This was a very short explanation of calculating marriage through transit, but you can try. Thanks for watching.